We have applied for a meeting with a man who should know the secrets of Kung Fu. But while we're waiting for his approval, we might as well get wasted, probably. I would like to.
Definitely. Beijing night, here we come.
So while enjoying a booze binge in Beijing, or when the munchies take over at the wee hours, the best place to raid is definitely Donghua Men Night Market. Almost 100 weird and very peculiar snacks are assembled here. For example, a deep-fried seahorse. Yes, a seahorse. It's excellent! It's great!
Chin!
Can I have one sea urchin and one starfish, please?
Okay. What's Ness?
Loch Ness.
Loch Ness, the monster of Loch Ness. Now we know where it is. My sea urchin is here.
Yeah, okay. Very good.
So now I get it. You're not supposed to eat the needles, but the stuff inside, it's...
Wasabi!
With wasabi?
Wasabi!
Wasabi, yes please! Oh, the wasabi is going into my brain.
Hello.
Hey, calama.
No, thank you. Mushroom? Is it a magic mushroom? But is it magic? Not magic, okay. Sorry, I'm not interested. If it's not magic, I'm not interested. Thank you. Testicle! Testicle! The balls! You mean the balls? Lamb! Penis! Really? Which penis? Sheep penis.
You try penis?
I will try penis for sure.
Okay.
For once in my life I will try
Okay.
penis. A sheep's penis is not necessarily so thick, but it's long. It's a pretty nice dick.
How to manage? Hello? Not good. No meat. Not good.
This looks like our stall. We have scorpions. We have grasshoppers. We have silkworms. We have, what is this? Dragonflies. How much is one scorpion?
15.
15.
Yes.
How much is dragonfly?
15.
15.
Very good.
Very good. Okay. Burger of dragonflies and scorpions. Oh, what a great snack.
Silkworms. Definitely some testicles.
Sheep testicles. Sheep
Yes.
penis.
This one.
Penis.
Which?
Penis.
Penis.
Penis. Okay.
Penis.
Okay.
Man. Like this. Yeah. Love it.
Testicles. Pizza.
I lost one. This must be the weirdest pizza I've ever got.
I'm just so hungry. To go, we got a breakfast set for wee hours. There's fried centipede, cockroaches, silkworms, and a testicle pizza. With these formidable munchies, we can continue our exploration of the Beijing nightlife. Let's go.
Okay, hey, back up.
Ni hao. Hey, you got a falcon there.
Yes, bulldog.
On the roadside, we met a guy with a raptor, and he invited us to go hunting. So, let the horns be blown.
Can you get a little bit closer to?
Miksi sä haluat, että mun naama on niin lähellä sitä vitun lintua? Mä en dikkaa sit, se on vittumaista, mä en halua spiikata siitä vittu.
Hei. Rauhoitetaanko tilannetta?
Anna mennä, kuvataan.
Okei? Ei mitään hätää. Ei tarvitse pelätä. Okei? Silitä sitä vähän.
No en varmasti silitä.
Miksi?
No miksi mä silittäisin sitä?
No,
Mä en tiedä tän eläimen toiminnasta hevon vittua, saatana, vittu.
Noniin, okei. And then calm down.
Mä en halua kosketella eläintä, jos mua ei kouluteta kunnolla vittu eläinten asioita. Mä en vittu todellakaan tee niidenkaan yhtään vittu mitään. Tää on viimeinen vittu eläinshotti ikinä. Tää on lupaus, tää on selvä asia. The falcon is a perfect hunting machine with keen senses and pure killing instincts. Close to the sun, ringed with the azure world, he soars, and like a thunderbolt he falls, reaching for his prey. Just tää on tosi kivaa. The bond between the
Kato sitä.
Mä haluan katsoa sitä silmiä.
Se ei tajua, että sä katot sitä silmiä. Kato sitä silmiä.
Ei vittu.
Hei.
The bond between the master and his bird is something that takes years, even decades, to develop. The man trains his raptor, so does the raptor train his man, until the two become one, and the line between the hunter and his living weapon disappears. There should be some wild chicken around this farmland. How peculiar! The falcon caught us, a pulus kananen, a wild chicken. See how those magnificent crooked hands tear apart the piece of prey. This is the brutal world of nature. The strong wipes away the weak. Here the proud hunter can truly feel himself being a part of the age-old tradition of the sport of the emperors. Carrying his hunting accessories in a Louis Vuitton bag, he's a sure example of ancient meeting the modern-day China.
So gentlemen, you like your penises?
Go
for it!
I love mine, not this.
Next, a human experiment. This drink is a shot of made out of deer penis, and they guarantee it's gonna make me stiff after 40 minutes, so I'm gonna drink it.
How is it?
It's like any moonshine, but with a real bitter aftertaste. A bouquet. Okay, so what time is it now?
9 exactly.
Exactly 9, so 9:40.
Yeah,
We'll see what happens 9:40. This is gonna be interesting, a human experiment. Let's see if after 40 minutes I'm walking like this. Excuse me, I'm off for the restroom. This definitely is a theme restaurant. Great dick.
Half dick.
Quite a smaller dick.
Smaller than mine.
That's what everybody keeps telling, but I have to tell.
I'm tired.
Sometimes a picture tells a lot more than words.
Hei, toi on tuttuu kamaa. Niin koiran keuhko, miltä maistuu?
No on tässä nyt pikkusen eroa, siis viime kertaan nähden, koska edellisen kerralla tämä kulkukoira todellakin teurastettiin siinä silmiemme edessä. Se oli hieman järkyttävää ja toki järkyttävämpää on Suomessa tuotantoeläinten kohtelu useinkin ja länsimaissa ylipäänsä. Mutta tällä kertaa täytyy sanoa, että tämä koira on huomattavasti paremmin valmistettua. Huomattavasti paremmat mausteet, todella aitoa kiinalaista keittiötä. Mut siitä huolimatta tää on ihan hirveetä.
Hai,